Welcome to the second part of this 4-part garden series. For this portion, we're going to be talking about choosing flowers and vegetables for the cool season ahead. So I like to divide the year into 2 parts. I think of late spring, summer, and early fall as my warm season, and then I consider late fall, winter, and early spring the cool season. Some things to note are your first and last frost dates. Here in Zone 8, our first frost date is November 11th, so at the very latest, I like to plant out my cool season vegetable seeds 4 to 8 weeks out. And the exception to that would be garlic. Garlic is always planted around Thanksgiving for us. Some examples of cool season specific flowers and vegetables. Vegetables would be things like radishes, greens, root vegetables like beets, turnips, carrots, rutabaga, and kohlrabi. And then cool season specific flowers that I like to grow are bachelor buttons, calendula, Chinese forget-me-nots, false Queen Anne's lace, larkspur, and love in a mist. You'll find more details in the email provided, and let me know if you have any questions at all.